Yeah, pull this and let it go. Should be loose. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna go pee after the shoot this.
Here, I'll hold it if you want. Fucking.
It's better some more cans left.
Blowing the ashes off my cigarette.
I don't know. I don't know. We should have put up cooler targets for that one. We were shooting the cool gassings with a 22.
Just let me shoot that bitch.
Holy!
I see what you mean, Jay.
Yeah, I get a little spray in the eye.
This one, right? Shit. Like, how many different mounts do they give you?
40.
I don't know.
40?
I'm
just kidding. That's quite a lot of things.
There is a whole bunch of mounts.
There's like the penis mount, there's the fucking over the shoulder fucking
a penis mount. Every extra thin for George. Those fucking sandwiches were good though.
Alright, yeah. $10 they better be though.
Yeah, I know. They pretty much you can go to Safeway.
You can go to Safeway. Like we spent $60 on 6 sandwiches.
Yeah.
I'm not even close.
This guy thinks he's a little Iraqi over here.
Dude, your scope is so nice.
There's no bullets in it, right?
No, I know, I'm just looking.
No, I was telling George.
Yeah.
8 pounds with like nothing on it. I saw her away.
Did you? Did it? I just saw it go zoom up again in the air. Jay.